there. So in this video I wanted to revisit my very first eyeshadow palette, and I had one of these way back in 2013. I used that, it got old, I threw it away, and I just repurchased, not just repurchased, but I recently repurchased the palette again. It's a cheap palette. It's Rhomlon, which is I think a Singaporean or Malaysian makeup brand, and honestly the quality of these eyeshadows aren't that good, but that was what was available to me at that time, and I used what I could find. So yeah, the price was affordable, and it's extremely affordable today. But yeah, they're not the best quality eyeshadows, but for nostalgia's sake I wanted to do a video. Okay, so because these shades are a little bit less pigmented than I'm used to, I am going to use a base for them, and I am using the Kiko eyeshadow stick, something in the shade 49, which is a blue shade. There are some blues over here, so I will try to use at least 2 of them, and let's hope for the best. So as you can see, it's very much more blue, like straight up when you don't blend it out. Maybe I should only just blend the edges then, because I like the intensity of the blue and I don't really want to take that away. Uh-oh. Running into some trouble here. It's getting patchy at the edge. I think that will have to do for now. I'm still not pleased with the shape of it, but yeah, this I guess like eyeshadow sticks are a little bit harder because to use as a base if you're trying to blend out the edges. Okay, let's get into the shade. I'm gonna use this like frosty kind of blue shade, and let's see how it looks like on the inner corner packed onto that intense blue. Definitely this is helping the shadow stick. So on the outer edge, I'm gonna go in with like some sort of a dark, well, it looks more gray than anything, but let's see how it translates on the eye. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna do, let's just do like a purpley shade. So I also have a purple eyeshadow stick. I'm just gonna try to line my eyes. With that. And I'm gonna put on some of that purple mixed with the darker shades right on top. Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to use the lighter shade of purple. I really like this particular color. It's very beautiful. I think the shade is called, it looks very much like Naba's shellfish, not shellfish. Shellfish. Selfish. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Okay. Okay, so here I don't like the blend here. Feels like the shadow doesn't stick where there's no base. But yeah, that'll have to do. Okay, I'm gonna bronze up my face just a little bit. I think I'll use something a little bit cooler toned. Oopsie. And for blush, let's see. I am going to use more of a warm toned, bronzy kind of blush. Oh my gosh, that's a bit too much of a highlight, but oh well, too late now. And for lips, I'm gonna try some sort of like dark orangey shade. Yep. I'm getting some fall vibes even though it's spring, but whatever. I am actually liking this look a lot better than I thought I would. Using this palette, I have tried using it on its own a couple of times, but honestly it just ends up looking very chalky on me, and it doesn't perform well and doesn't perform as nicely as some of my other shadows, and for the price I wouldn't expect it to. But yeah, paired with the Kiko eyeshadow sticks, it seems to be doing the trick. I think this actually doesn't look too bad. It looks quite vampy and glamorous, and I'm very pleased with the finished eye look. So yeah, that's pretty much it from me, and ciao for now.